groups of 3. All should form the groups of 3. So here 2 will be formed, 1, 2, and here out of this 7, if we multiply it with 1, 7, then it will form a group of 3, right? So this number should be multiplied by 7 so that it's a perfect cube. Next, the cube of a number x is 9 times that of x. Okay, then find x, where x is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to minus 3. Okay, there are two conditions given. It is not 0 and not minus 3, and cube is of x is 9 times that of x. Okay, let's start. Number equals to x, so cube equals to x given as 9x. But what is cube? Cube means x cube, so x cube equals to 9x, right? So take 9x on this side, x cube minus 9x equals to 0. Okay, take x common, so x into, in bracket now, x cube, 1x gone, so it becomes x square inside the bracket minus this 9 singly as 9 it is, and x is gone out, right? So what is the expression now? X into x square minus 9 equals to 0. Now if something is 0, suppose if I say 2 into 0 is 0, or 0 into 2, 0 into 2 is also 0. So 0, if 0 is on any of the sides, any of the two numbers, then the answer will be 0 for multiplication. So what we can say then? Either x equals to 0 or x square minus 9 equals to 0, right? Either of these two numbers are 0, we don't know. So to watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.